Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 8. We finally made it to week 8. This is your last little bit of work to do. Probably as you are watching this, I am right now grading your final documents, and we'll have those up pretty quickly. And all you have to do now is just kind of think a bit about what you've experienced in this lab, the kind of work we've done in the lab. And one of the questions to ask is, that has been asked of you to answer, is which method of study is better given at this point in your studying of physics? Would you prefer to do an open-ended kind of on your own kind of thing, or would you also like to have it very structured? Kind of, this has been, I think, kind of in between. The labs are usually kind of in between, where we give you a structured activity, but once you start doing it, you're on your own. At any rate, I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you will provide me some interesting input in your final discussion. I'd like to know how you feel about different ways of studying different problems, different ways of studying different fields. I will have this, we'll work on this week. Contact me about any questions about it or any questions on your earlier work. I'll be happy to answer. Have a really good week doing this, and I hope to talk with you in the discussions. You guys take care.